Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel for another $100 facelift video. In this video, I will be facelifting my ugly laundry room for $100. I was encouraged to do this video because you guys gave me such great feedback on my bedroom facelift video. I really appreciate everyone that reached out to me saying I inspired them to recreate a room in their house. Also for encouraging me through your kind words. It really helped me have the confidence to do another video. Feel free to share this video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Okay, that's enough talking, so let's get started.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So if you follow my Instagram, then you've already seen this, but I got this flooring at Menards in the discount section for only $21.99. Everything at Menards I got with tax for $55, and that includes the shelf, the wall we'll be putting up, the flooring, the glue for the flooring, and the rope that I use to make my baskets and decorate the other items. So here my daughter and I are taking a dollar store bin and putting rope on it to make our lint holder. The dollar store does sell nautical rope that is a little bit prettier and you wouldn't have to burn it like I do in this video, but it was more expensive to do it that way. At Menards, I got 65 feet of rope for $3.99. This laundry basket idea was inspired by Measure and Mix. So if you're watching this, hey girl, I love your channel. A lot of the items in my video are from the dollar store, Menards, or Walmart. A lot of the items I did have left over, so I used those up, like the wood to make my wood signs. The paint, the only paint I did buy was the Rust-Oleum hammered spray paint, but that is included in my budget. So I do encourage you to look around your house and find anything that you can recycle for your projects. You would be very surprised on what you can make. I will be showing you how to make plungers into drying racks. Unused plungers. Another idea I got from Measure and Mix. Also, I did buy flat paint from Walmart in the pre-mix section. It was $9.95. And the only reason I got flat paint was because I have unfinished ugly walls, and this is a rental, so I was not going to improve the home before I buy it any more than I already have. So my walls are untextured, and there was no point in buying the more expensive high gloss paint. If you have finished walls, I do encourage you to buy high gloss or semi-gloss, so that way you can wipe off the walls. So these little bins are at the dollar store. I did not have to purchase more because last year I used them to make an herb garden. So if you were following me, then you already saw those. But this year I'm doing something different with my herbs, so I decided to reuse these for my farmhouse inspired laundry room. And they even have the wear and tear naturally from outside. So if you like the look of them, check out your dollar store. The twine was purchased at the dollar store. Check the automotive section. The large jars are from Walmart. They were $5.95 each, and I got 3 of them. Plungers are from the dollar store. All of the smaller jars are also from the dollar store in this video. The stand is a cup holder from the dollar store. I will be spray painting it with the leftover hammered spray paint. We got this 8-foot shelf from Menards for $9.99. I said before, you do not need a Cricut or Silhouette to create these stickers. You can just buy some from Walmart or the Dollar Tree. They do the same thing. Just make sure to go over it with some Mod Podge so it will for sure stick to the jar. I don't know if it's just me, but I've had the worst experiences with Cricut vinyl, so I recommend the Oracal 651, or I believe it's 631. I will link it below. I'm just using some dryer vent caps to hold the jars to the wood. These run about $1.25 at Home Depot or Menards. You can find them in the plumbing section. These are recycled from a toothbrush holder that I had made for my last house because we did not have any drawers in the bathroom. But now that we have drawers, I can reuse these.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me.
If you didn't already know, I make our laundry soap. I still buy our fabric softener from Sam's Club, but I do want to make our own, so if you have any recipes, please link it below. I used to be a scent booster freak. I'd put a whole cup of the beads in each load until I read how bad that is for you, and I was spending a ton of money on scent boosters and laundry soap, so I just decided to make our own because it is safer and costs a lot less. I boost the scent of our laundry soap with essential oils. I also want to know how to make dryer sheets homemade, so please, if you know, drop a comment below. We also used to purchase all of the stain removers like Shout or OxyClean, but we went all natural to vinegar, borax, and baking soda. We do still purchase the Dawn. I really just can't stray from that. If you watched my last facelift video, then you saw the part where I removed oil stains from the carpet using baking soda, dish soap, and vinegar. Borax and baking soda and vinegar are natural laundry boosters and stain removers. They don't cost very much and they're all natural, so I just take it back to the basics and do my laundry that way.